Hi everyone, we're going to be going over our controller board today. You may have seen this at one of our irrigation station workshops. Today we'll be reviewing how to set the date and time on the Hunter Pro C. This is the Hunter Pro C. This is one of the most common controllers we see in the field. This controller has a few basic functions that make it user-friendly. If the date and time are not displaying correctly, your water schedule will be affected. To fix this, turn the dial to the date and time position. First, you'll adjust the date. Use the left and right arrows to navigate through the screens, and the plus and minus button to make changes. Press the right arrow to navigate to the time. You will see an AM, PM, or 24 hours flashing on the right side of the display screen. Use the plus or minus button to select the correct option, and then the right arrow to adjust the hour. Check your phone or watch and adjust the time to the current settings using the plus, minus, and right arrow. Turn the dial back to the run position and verify that the day and time have been set correctly. If you need help setting the date and time on your controller, call for a checkup at 972-292-5800 or use the MyFrisco app to schedule your appointment and let one of our licensed irrigators set your controller.